Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today we're exploring the all-new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, featuring the blazing fast Tensor G5 chip, AI-powered camera enhancements, and the latest Android 15 upgrades. Let's dive in. Google has confirmed its Made by Google event will take place on August 20, 2025, with the Pixel 10 series, including the Pro XL, expected to be available by August 28. Powered by the in-house Tensor G5, manufactured on 3nm TSMC, built for high efficiency. Equipped with 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage, Google now skips the 128GB base on Pro XL, starting from 256GB. Performance includes approximately 14 to 20% gains over G4, with smarter on-device AI. Large 6.8-inch LTPO OLED, 120Hz refresh rate, peak brightness up to 3000 nits, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Sleek flat-edge design, available in new colors like Obsidian, Porcelain, Jade, and Moonstone. Rear setup: 50 megapixels main, 48 megapixels ultra-wide, and 48 megapixels telephoto with 5x optical zoom. Front-facing 42 megapixels selfie cam. AI camera enhancements include improved zoom enhance, magic editor, Add Me, and new 4K 60fps HDR video features. Massive 5200 mAh battery, the largest yet in a Pixel. Charges at 39W wired, 15W wireless, Qi 2, along with reverse wireless support. Ships with the latest Android 15, featuring Privacy Sandbox, app archiving, partial screen sharing, improved widgets, and edge-to-edge app compatibility. AI-driven experiences introduced in the Pixel 10 lineup enhance computational photography and user experience overall. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is Google's biggest flagship yet, top-tier performance, flagship-tier battery, AI at its core, and a camera system that keeps top-level status. It's a serious contender in the premium phone market. Will the Pixel 10 Pro XL's AI edge and camera smarts make you pick Google over Samsung's S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that for upcoming coverage and reviews.